Pleasant welcome to all. My name is C.Vishnu, studying 9th grade in Bheeram International School. Today, I am going to say you about the importance of apical meristematic tissue in plants. Before going to know about the apical meristematic tissue, now let us skip into what is meristematic tissue. Tissue is the one which has the capability of dividing, that is, it can regenerate into new cells, and when the meristematic tissue becomes old, it takes a specific function and take the form of permanent tissue. This permanent tissue does not have the property of dividing into new cells, and it takes a specific function in our plant body. This is about the meristematic tissue. Now, going to the types of the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue contains three types. Those are the apical meristem and the intercalary meristem and the lateral meristem. Now let us take a quick look on the different types of this meristematic. You can see here there are three types in meristematic tissue in plants. Those are the apical meristem and intercalary meristem and the lateral meristem. Now we are going to know the importance of apical meristematic tissue in onion bulbs. Different types of meristematic tissue. Now let us go into deep let us discuss about the importance of meristematic tissue in the onion bulb. The apparatus required for this experiment are nothing but 2 glasses full of water and 2 onions. Now let us take the apparatus into our hands. First we have to place the onions into the glass full of water so that the 1/8 part of the onion should be in contact with water. I did the same in this case. You can see here there is no growth of roots in this onion and in this onion. Now keep the apparatus aside for 3 to 4 days and let us know what happens. 4 days the result came as you can see here, the growth of the roots in this glass jar is smaller than is lower than in this glass jar. As you can see here difference, the roots are very small here, but in case of this glass jar the roots are very long. The reason behind this, in these 3 days I had cut the roots of this onion to show the difference between the presence of apical meristematic tissue. What is this apical meristematic tissue? We had discussed earlier. So that by cutting the roots of this glass jar onion tip, the apical meristematic tissue is absent. Now you have seen the difference between this glass jar and this glass jar. Note the difference and it will be useful for our further discussion. Now keep the apparatus aside. Now let us go into the explanation. For the more growth of the roots in glass jar A is nothing but the presence of apical meristematic tissue. The apical meristematic tissue enhances the growth of roots and shoot tips of a plant. The absence of the apical meristematic tissue is nothing but, I said that I had cut the roots of the second glass jar. This eliminates the apical meristematic tissue present in the onion, which will affect the growth of roots in the onion. So this is the main difference between the glass jar and the second glass jar. That is the apical meristematic tissue. We can understand that if a plant contains apical meristematic tissue, it can grow widely its roots and the shoots. So apical meristematic tissue is very important in a plant life. This is the experiment to show the importance of apical meristematic tissue. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Stay home, stay safe, stay home.